sound devilish. Pro Stock 61. Look out. See, I'm glad I'm one good thing about hey man, how do you defeat the stream boss? Any of the 82 people watching know how to do that? I see HP 3600/4800. Uh-oh, somebody done popped back there. Funkytown ain't made it here. I don't know if he coming. We got Bojangles in the building, y'all. He came in upset. What's that? Huffines 13. Appreciate the follow, man. It's going down up here today at Yello Belly. Got $1,000, $2,000 pot grudge race. Home Depot versus the Tesla. Yeah, Bojangles came in, man. Jimbo Slife, Metal Hands. Go, y'all. Where y'all at? Oh yeah, he ain't running that Camaro down. Turn that light on. Yeah, Camaro for the win, y'all. He turned that light on. J Brad 30, look out. They gonna be really mad at me when my stream grow. Make my Twitch channel grow. Let me see, Willie Hendon. What's up with it, man? Let me see, get your badge and your stamp. What is that? Oh, really? Yeah. Okay. You got that murmur. Where y'all at? Y'all been with the murmur. Well, yeah, I'm right here with the murmur. Oh, yeah. Hey, man, I'm right here. Oh, he got that hood over there, though, y'all. Wait a minute. It's over with. Red for the win, man. Been having the number for 12 years. Oh, okay, yeah, I forgot about that NPK. I forgot about having that. Team Thundercock for the win. Oh, we got Racer and Ship. Appreciate the follow, man. I think I got the vibe. What's this over here? What's this over here? Got some wheels on there though. We got G Warrior 1971. Okay, dry. Shit sound good over there. Hey, I want that side, man. How much? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, I like the way it sound aggressive. Okay, on the sync Steady weed truck, freaky, look out. Dabbing out is the best. Oh shit, they recommended different weed strands to each other.
Oh yeah, dude, I freaking had ice cream cake last week and it was fucking blew my mind, dude, really. Like, and then the week before that I had ice cream cake, dude, and fucking had me zooted. The week before that, I think we were on OG Kush and my brother had some purple Urkel. Yeah, dude, the purple Urkel was really... I had a really great time the last time we had the purple Urkel because we had used like a joint and we smoked it. Next thing I knew, I was almost hallucinating, dude. I was like, wow. I ate a pizza that night. Yeah, dude. Everyone was looking and I was like, yeah, man. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this animal lamb. This weed strand has to be like one of the best, dude. Then one of my friends came over and he brought some what is the name of that thing? He bought some Biscotti, something like that, dude. Oh yeah, man. I brought some Biscotti. Dude, it was like bomb. I'm telling you. Appreciate the sub, phone number. We're gonna call him phone number man. Appreciate the sub, phone number man. Saging 647, appreciate the follow. Put pretty cold out, appreciate the follow. Let me see. Got phone number man in the building, y'all. What's up with it? I got a new one.